To solve the ashtray homework, start from front plane, sketch the cross section and set the dimensions. And apply a 2 mm fillet. Use offset entities with 1 mm for thickness. And close your profile to fully define the sketch. Now use the Revolved command and select this line to revolve about it. After that, sketch on the front plane to make the cutout shape. Choose the straight slot to make your shape. Set the dimensions. Add the necessary relations for fully defined sketch. Now apply an extrude cut. Finally, go to the circular pattern feature. Select your extrude cut from design tree. Choose the direction of pattern and set the number of patterns.